first handbag of 2025, and it is a vintage luxury item. I did get this from eBay. So I ordered from a Japanese seller on eBay. I tried a new seller. I checked them out. I checked the reviews. I double checked the item to check the authenticity of the item as well. And so I will say that this seller is very responsive. But they are a little bit slow to ship. They had like a when you order from them and like on their page and stuff, they do say it could take up to 7 business days before they ship, and they literally took almost this whole 7 business days to ship this item. But you get it pretty fast once they do ship. But compared to other sellers, they're a little bit on the slower side. And also they did not ship my item in a box, which I noticed that the sellers that I've ordered from, they've shipped my items in a box. But it's not a super structured bag, so it should be fine. If it was structured, I probably would be like, okay, I probably would have wanted a box. But anyway, like I said, it's a vintage item. So let's go ahead and let me show you guys what bag I got. Ready to see what handbag I got. She's not looking like much right now. Oh, it's a little bit smaller than what I thought compared to, oh, and it came with the original dust bag. Stop. Hold on, let me get it together so y'all can see what this is. So it looks something like this. And if you don't know what this is, let me unwrap the handles as well. If you don't know what this is a vintage Gucci indie bag. Okay, this is what this is, a vintage Gucci indie bag, y'all. Oh my goodness, she is in such immaculate condition, y'all. And then right here on the handle, it has Gucci, and then it has all the indie bags have like this tassel right here in the front. Now I want another one. I knew as soon as I ordered this one, I was gonna want another one in the large size, because like I said, this is the small size. I did not know it was gonna come with a dust bag. I mean, the dust bag is, you know, it's vintage. It's from like 2009. Okay, so the bag is from around 2009, but I do appreciate that it came with the original Gucci dust bag. That is really awesome. But this bag, y'all, this bag is so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. So I'm definitely going to end up getting another one in another color for sure, because I just knew I was gonna love this bag. Like, this is so cute, so unique, so different. This is why I love vintage, y'all. This is why I love vintage. So my new to me vintage Gucci indie bag.